Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me Pratyusha here. In this video, I want to show you how we cleaned our carpets using the Rug Doctor. This Rug Doctor we rented it from the Randalls. We can also get it from HEB or Walmart. And we need to clean our carpet with water and some cleaning solution. After every 6 months or 1 year, we can do this cleaning process. After the cleaning, it is looking so fresh. We can mop the floors, but the carpet there is so much dust on it, so we need to clean it very regularly, like 6 months, by using the water and cleaning solution. Comes with the two cans to hold the fresh water, and the other one is for the collecting the dirty water. We can also rent this tool to clean the steps area or any corners, so this is very handy. Otherwise the Rug Doctor will be so heavy, it can be cleaned only on the floors, but by using this tool we can clean up wherever it is needed. On this tool we have two options for the carpet cleaning and the tool. So we need to turn on the switch on when we clean the carpet, and also on the tool side. One can is to hold the water along with the solution. We need to fill it with hot water, and the solution we purchase from the same store. There are measurements. We need to add a 1 cup of this solution for the 1 gallon of water. So I'm adding it here and then fix it to the Rug Doctor. There is a brush beneath the Rug Doctor, like as shown here. When we run it, it will spray some water and cleans with the brush and absorbs the dirt with the squeezer and collects into the dirty water bin. Even though it is heavy and loud noise while vacuuming, but it operates like a regular vacuum. The other can holds the dirty water. After the cleaning, it collects the dirtiness from the carpet. It sprays the solution with the water and then cleans it with the brush and collects the dirty water into the second can. You can see a lot of dirt is collected in this can, so we need to clean it frequently and change the fresh water into other can with the solution. After using the Rug Doctor, you will see that your carpet or rugs will be so much clean and fresh. We need to give some time to dry up. There are so many other options with the different companies available to clean the carpet, but this is Rug Doctor. Um, Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please click a like, share and subscribe. I will see you in another video. Thank you. Bye.